In this video, I'll be explaining what data types are in programs. I'll give you some examples of basic data types, and I'll explain how programs use binary to store any type of data. Memory only stores binary data. However, anything can be represented using binary. Usually, the programmer works at a higher level than binary, so you generally don't need to worry about the underlying binary data. Programs determine what this binary data represents, and the code that you write is automatically converted into binary representations. Basic types that are universally useful are provided by the language itself. However, we're not limited to just these types that are provided. You can create your own types that you need for your specific problems, and we'll be covering that in later videos. The basic types provided by the Rust programming language is the Boolean type. The Boolean type is either true or false. The next type is an integer type. Integers are just whole numbers. Some examples are 1, 2, and 50. Negative numbers are also covered by the integer type. Double or floating point numbers are decimal point numbers. 1.1, 5.5 are both examples of double or floating point numbers. Characters are just single characters that you see on your keyboard. Capital A, capital B, lowercase c, the number 6, and a $sign. Note that with characters, we surround them within a single quotation mark, and the character 6 is separate from the number 6. So if you want to use the number 6, you would do so without the quotation marks. But if you want the number 6 to be displayed as a character, you would use the quotation marks. The difference is, when we have the quotation marks, this means that this character will be displayed to the user. Without the quotation marks, it is now suitable for usage in mathematical operations. Lastly, we have the string type. Strings are just a string of characters. We use double quotes to denote strings, and you can have any number of characters between the double quotes. To recap, anything can be represented with binary data. The basic data types are Boolean, integer, double and float, character, and string.